Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add a link to an object. It's a similar concept in PowerPoint as you would in Word or Excel, or most of the Microsoft products tend to work the same for this feature. So in this sort of slide, I have a template of our team, and I now want to link this person, whoever I would put in this placeholder. I want to link their LinkedIn page to this profile, so that when someone just clicks on LinkedIn, what will pop up is then their page. So first things first is, let's get what I want to link open. So I'm just going to assume I am Bill Gates to channel my inner alter ego. So let's assume I'm Bill Gates and I want to link my profile to that page. So the first thing I would do is then have my profile open that I want to link. And then let's take this link here. So Control C to copy. And then let's close this and go back to where we were. So in this case, I want to link my LinkedIn on here. So you'd click on the object you want, and then when you click on it, because it's a shape, this new ribbon will come in that wasn't there before. So if I just exit out, you don't see shape format. The moment I then click in is when you'll see shape format. So there we are. So in this case, I want to insert a link. So insert, we go link, we insert the link. And then in the address column, we will then copy or paste to the link that we had copied. So Control V to paste, and then click OK. And then just every single time you click then on that link, you would then see, if you hover over it. So all I did was put the slider presentation mode. If you hover over that link, you'll then see the link that I just pasted, so that when you click on that, what will come up is then the profile that I want to show, which in this case is Bill Gates. So if for whatever reason you wanted to remove that, same process, click on the link. You could right click on that object. So when you right click, the option says remove link. Otherwise, you would do the steps we followed again of insert in the link tab, under insert link. Then say you had it here, you could just delete it from here, and that will have the same effect.